How to fix we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face on Windows 11. So if you want to fix we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face on Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Once you're under the settings, now you need to go with the apps section, which is on the left side. Under apps, you need to go with the optional features. If you don't have the optional features right here, you just need to simply go with find the setting and then search for optional features and click on it. Now here you will have the optional features, right? So under optional features, you will have facial recognition, Windows Hello and Logic. Now here you will have the facial recognition. And in my case, I've already installed it, right? So here it says remove. If you don't have the option right here, or if you don't have the facial recognition option right here, then what you need to do is you just need to simply add the feature. To add it, you need to go with view features, which is on the upper right. And here you need to search for the facial recognition, Hello Windows. And after that, you can just click on it and then go with add, and it will be installed. Just go with next and you will get add option. Once you've added or once you've installed, you will get the facial recognition option right here under your optional features. Once you've added, now you just need to simply go with the services, search for services and open up your services. Once you're under that, now here you need to simply click on a service and then press W on your keyboard and you will get an interface which is Windows Hello Service. Search for it, or you will have the Windows Biometric service. And if you've started the service, which is Windows Biometric service, if you have started, then you just need to simply go and stop the service. Once you've stopped the service, now you just need to simply minimize it and you need to open up your file manager or the file explorer and go with this PC, go with local disk C, go with Windows folder, and under Windows you need to go with the System32 folder, and under System32 you need to go with WinBio database. So you will have the folder named WinBio database. You just need to simply open the WinBio database, and here you will have a file. You just need to simply go and delete the file. You can also go with Shift Delete, which will permanently delete the file. So once you've deleted the file, what you need to do is just again go back with your services, and here you need to start the service. Once you've started the service, you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.